Turbansoft with work details. So those works will directly not be reflected in this app. So for that, for which cluster you have entered the work, just download the works once again. You will all the works recently added will be come to this device. Next, capture photo and upload photo are actually same links. These two links, and then contact us. Yep, contact us have these things are there, and at last contact us you can see 1.0.8 the version of the app it is coming. So you can, if you want to check the current version of the app, it is in the contact us actually. We have kept it. So yeah, and if any new version of the app we have uploaded, means if we upload in Play Store, then in the home screen only you can get a notification that you a new version is there and is downloaded. And language, yeah, language recently we have actually added this English and Hindi. This Hindi language will actually all the captions will come in Hindi. So which will get these things actually from database. These are coming, so we cannot change this thing. Whatever we can put actually, we have put. And last is logout. Okay, logout is one thing that if you log out, if you log out from this device, then actually all the things means is downloaded, means work captured, everything will be deleted. So once, please do not log out from this app until you upload all the your data. You can directly close the app or from the power button, but please do not press the log out, because it will means logged out from the user which it is logged in, and it allows to log in with another user. So we actually have to delete all the means data downloaded to this app in the logout itself. One more thing actually, notifications. When these new works are added to the Turbansoft for a particular cluster, that cluster user get notifications in the notification bell icon in the right top corner. He can just get a notification and click on that. It will take him to the download page itself. It will take him to the download page that you just download the work for the cluster. So actually that much is the demo for app. Now I can actually show you the images captured in this app in Urbansoft also. One minute, please.
Yeah, anybody has any queries, may please ask. If anybody has any confusion, I think this needs to be very clear that the works entry has to be made within all.
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello? Ma'am, this is from Karnataka.
Yeah.
We have one doubt, ma'am. While their login option, so they give some login ID that is SNA AASS.
Because
what about password?
No. NIC Guwahati was having the login of only SNA Assam, so they have used it like a sample SNA Assam. So you will have to use your own login.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, we have only SNA Assam login. That's why actually we have shown you.
Sir, from Pondicherry.
Sir, hello, sir. What about the password, sir? Password we have to set our own, or there is also from.
Madam, I would like to clarify here. Yeah, the SPMU team has been recently formed in Karnataka. So I would like to inform Karnataka that every state has got their own login ID, ma'am, through which you entered your ICAPS and DPR. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So you can, the same login IDs can be used for Jio Urban app also.
Okay,
Sir.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, for Pondicherry. Hello?
Yeah. Pondicherry, please.
Yeah. Ma'am, actually, in this Jio Urban username and password, I am putting the same that I was putting in MIS Urbansoft, but I don't think so. Maybe with some technical reasons, it's not connecting. That username and password, it's not taking.
For which user you
Sir,
have?
Sir, MIS Urbansoft username and password same you are telling, no?
Yeah. No,
Yeah, same only. Yeah, same only.
Because see, if it is a payment user, it will not work. Otherwise, it should work.
Okay, we'll check it again. Maybe some technical thing. I'll check it, sir, again.
Yeah. Please.
I think Aniket, you have used SNA Puducherry login only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, they have not used the payment login. They have only used the SNA login only.
Yes.
Still, you are facing problem in login.
Yes, correct, sir, correct.
Okay. So maybe NIC Assam can please.
Yeah. We can check that issue. No
Yeah,
problem.
we'll also check it once more, sir. Maybe some technical issues are there.
Once more you check if any problem, please.
Okay.
Okay, just one thing last I want to show. This is this state login. Is it visible?
Yes. It is visible.
Yeah. You can see that left side menu geotagging, under the geotagging images are there, and all the uploaded all the clusters. You can see the figures on the right hand side. You just have to click on that figure. One is coming, and for that work you can just view all the images I have just uploaded with the details. Okay. Now I'll delete this. If you said done something wrong, just mail to ms.ravan@nic.in. We'll rectify the error.
Sir, I have one question.
Yes, please.
Actually, I have uploaded some photographs along with geological location from around 22 locations, and all those tagged projects are saved for upload later option. But right now, I don't have any option to update my app.
No, in the dashboard itself, you can have that upload pending.
I have upload later option, sir.
Yeah, no problem. Actually, just go to the home screen and see if you have logged out from the device. I have told it earlier. Please don't log out. Just close the app, but don't log out. You will get in the home screen upload pending photos.
Sir. Then I am looking. Respond error is showing, sir.
Which are 1 minute. Which error?
Sir, it's showing a respond error.
Respond. Yeah, okay. See, please download the latest app actually because we have recently just switched to HTTPS. So actually earlier this Rarbansoft URL does not work. So we have this.
Sir, if I reinstall, then I will lose my data.
I think you will not, because it will not delete all the just okay. You can call us before doing anything.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Sir.
we'll check what can be done.
Yeah, any more questions? Any other queries?
Hello, this is from Gujarat.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, can we export this data in some format like Excel or all? With the work name and the longitude latitude, can we export it somehow?
Gautam sir, are you there, sir? Gautam sir? I think this question was asked from Gujarat. I think that as far as my understanding about app is that you can't fetch the data from any Excel sheet. Just it will take the location, through your mobile. It will not fetch.
Okay.
You can't fetch the location through any Excel sheet. Gautam sir, are you there, sir?
I think they got disconnected. Just call them.
Okay, ma'am. Just give me a minute, ma'am.
Sir, I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Yeah,
Yes,
just a
ma'am.
moment. Yeah. Gautam, please respond to the query.
Yeah, actually I got the
Sir, I am from Andhra Pradesh. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yeah. My doubt is that whether we should upload the works list again in GeoUrban app, or it will take from Rurbansoft.
It will
Data.
take from Rurbansoft. Just click download the app in the download the works in the download works link. It will take it from Rurbansoft. But
Okay.
the works has to be DPR approved and works detail entry option.
Sir, your voice is not clear. It is breaking.
Madam, am I audible, ma'am?
Yeah.
Madam, basically, whatever the works details you have entered in the Rurbansoft, you have the list of the works entered in the DPR. Then there is an option of work details entry. If you have entered the details of the works in the Rurbansoft, then only those works will be you can download over there in the app.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
The works
And
for
one more
which,
thought.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah, Yogesh, continue. Yogesh, continue, please. Yogesh is there.
I think
Disconnected. Yeah, he got disconnected, I think.
Yeah. Yogesh got disconnected. Please tell me the issue.
Yeah. Yeah, what is the issue from Andhra, please? Yeah.
Madam, it is clear. It is clear from Yogesh. And one more doubt I have, that is whether all the clusters shall log in with their login IDs or only state login ID is shall be used for all the clusters.
with the cluster login ID also you can log in.
Yes. You can use cluster login ID or you can use state login ID also.
Okay. Thank you.
Good evening, madam.
Yeah. Good evening.
I am calling from SPMU, Tamil Nadu.
Yes.
One doubt is there, madam. We are using the state login for the geo-urban map,
Yeah.
which we can't share for the district level. So, can we create a district level login and password for for clusters and districts?
Yes.
But just now I tried for Madurai district from the geo-urban app. It's not. I'm not able to log it.
No, it actually we have put for all the district level, state level, cluster level, everybody should access, but it should not be payment login. Please check once again. If the problem persists, you can contact us.
And another question is, since the district level there are lots of works going on.
Yeah.
So can we make available for multiple users?
Yes. It is now open for multiple users.
The same district level ID and login.
Yeah.
Password.
You can.
But I just checked now, but I'm not able to log in. That's I'm asking.
No.
For example, in RubenSoft we use two logins. This payment login as well as MAS login.
Yeah.
For districts they use only the payment login. If you are using the payment login in the geo-urban app,
MIS login. They see for geo-urban, please use MIS login. DLNA user ID and password. It will not work with.
Do not use Maker and Checker password. Use DLNA password.
Sir, I would like to add here what Gautam sir is saying is you can create a district level or a cluster level login from your that MIS login which you are using at state level, okay, which further you can use in geo-urban app also. But if you are saying that district level people use this payment login and you try to use that login for this geo-urban, it won't work.
Yes. Right.
thank you, madam.
Yeah, good afternoon. This is SPMU Telangana. Can you hear me?
Yes, please.
So we have a doubt in one particular cluster. In that particular cluster, the works which have already been paid through PFMS, only that work is showing in the geo-urban app. It is not taking directly from the RurbanSoft. It is showing only those works which have appeared in the PFMS. So I'm not understanding what is the problem here.
Actually, see. Already Joel has told that all the work that has works detail entered in RurbanSoft will only be downloaded in the app. That provision actually we have kept recently because please.
I understood your point, but that is not happening. Suppose in RurbanSoft, there is how many works?
If it does not come directly, you can just go to download the works and download the works for that cluster again.